Man, disappointed but not surprised. Customer called us.
Hey Refs, I broke the wall trying to fix my own toilet.
I told her it'd be like that. Told her that we would be there later tonight since she called us the same day. Pulled up. Had to work the magic. Cartridges are not hard. But you do have to be careful. Sheetrock and pipes all around the area. You can break the wall, or can break a connection in the wall. So if you want to save some money, then just be careful trying to fix it. But if you need professionals that get paid to fix those issues, then give us a call. We are proficient in everything plumbing. Real Estate Fixing Solutions is here for you.